Jay Murphy from Trionia, an online marketing company, and today we're going to do part 2 of using the Google Analytics Debugger, and we're going to use it today to look at how to check that our URL tagging has worked correctly. For everyone out there, URL tagging is a great way of tracking inbound links from areas like email or banners or other places where you really want to track both where people are coming from, possibly what ad they're responding to, and maybe even what keywords they're responding to. Google has a great tool for building URLs, and it's called the URL Builder. If you search for it, you'll find it. And we've already walked through and created our URL. So the first piece is, of course, the URL itself, and we've got one here for one of our websites. And then the next piece is the source. We're going to use test, but you might want to use the source. Say you've got a banner campaign with a radio website, you might want to put the radio website in here. Say it's an email, you might want to have the name of the email, like the July newsletter or something along those lines. And then the next thing you'd want to put in here is the medium. Is it an email? Is it a banner? Is it a referral? You would put that campaign medium in here. We'll use email for this particular case. If you had a specific keyword associated with the campaign, you could put that in here as well. And say you had 2 or more different types of ads. Like in this case, let's say we had an A and a B email to test different response rates. We could put that into this campaign content field. For right now, we'll leave it blank. And then you do need a campaign name, and so we'll put in GA debug test. Now the name, the medium, and the source can all be used in Google Analytics later to view the information. And then when you hit the submit button, it will create a URL for you, and we've already done that here. So now we can copy and paste that URL and move it into our website. So we've already gone to that page, and now we're going to paste in the new link with our URL tagging. So we'll click in paste and go, and we can see it right here: UTM source test, UTM medium email, and UTM campaign. If we scroll over, is GA debug. Now we've got the GA debugger on, and we've got the console up, so if we go over to our console, we can check it and see if the tag was sent correctly. So right in here we can look in and we can see UTM medium, UTM campaign, and UTM source are test, email, and GA debug test. And then, because the Google Debugger simplifies things for us, we can look down in here, and our campaign source is test, our campaign medium is email, and our campaign name is GA debug. So Google Analytics Debugger has told us that our URL tagging has worked correctly, and now we can safely use this tagging with our ads and be able to track everyone who responds to our email, our banner, whatever we're using the link for. So that steps through how you can use it for tagging. Next time we're going to actually use it for events as well, so you can check to see that events are being tracked correctly within your website. And if there are any other information or other topics you'd like us to cover, definitely please let us know. Thanks again, and hope this was helpful. Bye.